priority situation on Boulder Road.
I got him, going in for the pin.
Weapons disabled. You are on your own until we can get back online.
I've made contact. I've made contact. My vehicle has taken damage.
All units, roadblock in position ahead.
Suspect has hit the roadblock. All units move in for the arrest. Repeat, move in for the bust.
All units, weapon systems are down. Rerouting communications. Pursuit is headed onto Memorial Highway.
Aerial pursuit unit, you're cleared to engage, over.
This is roadblock patrol 10, standing by, over. I've made contact. He has sustained some damage.
Roger that, 1073 approved. Roadblock units deploying directly ahead of you.
Suspect has hit the roadblock. All units move in for the arrest. Suspect has been issued with a warning.
Target has gone into it.
Weapon systems are inoperative. Use direct force.
Roadblock patrol units on scene. Let me know where you want them.
EMP activated, acquiring target lock.
Negative on the stop. Vehicle still mobile.
All units, local EMPs are now authorized for use. Repeat, EMPs are a go. That's confirmed. Your roadblock is in position.